Hey everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to stop apps from accessing your camera and microphone. So for that you need to come for in your start icon, click on the right mouse button and then go for settings. After that you need to come for privacy and security option, and then here you will get an option called app permission, and here is your camera option. So in my computer right now there is no connected camera. If you are connected with camera, then you can simply turn it off like this. It will turn off your camera access. After, if you now go for the microphone access, as you can see there are lots of apps that I'm rightly using Microsoft Access. If you don't want them, then you can simply check by one, like turn off ChatGPT and Copilot and Stepping Tool, or maybe WhatsApp, or maybe Xbox. So yeah, this is how we can simply turn off using camera and microphone in your Windows tab.